Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about SOUNA stock and key levels to watch December 31st, 2025. In previous trading session, the stock formed a bearish pin bar candle. Now the stock trading at its support level. So the key support level is $9.71. If the price goes below $9.71, it could test $9. The key resistance level is $10.96. If the price breaks above $10.96, it could test $11.58. That's my view on SOUNA stock today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more updates. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.